Yo, what's good? It's your boy 730 G Weezy. You know what it is. Back at it again. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, get notified whenever I drop that new heat. But for right now, we're gonna get him with my boy right now. We're gonna be giving him a mid-skin fade. So let's do this. So like always, you know I'll be rocking with my Babyliss. Got my custom FXs. If you guys don't know, you gotta go to Babyliss, check them out, because Babyliss got some nice custom stuff. Just came out the rubber grips. You guys gotta come check them out right now, quick. So if you guys are looking to customize some clippers, go to Babyliss and customize your own clippers. Now, you know how we do always, we're gonna set up that first guideline, come in, we're gonna create a second guideline, but now we're just hitting it with that 1.5, and we're just cleaning up some debulking, not going too high, not going above that parietal ridge, but we're just coming straight up, not going to the turn of the head. Right after that, we'll follow up with some clipper over comb, just get rid of some of that bulk at that crown area, getting it right out of there. When I try not to use my clippers up there because I don't want to accidentally go into the crown and bring my fade higher. So we're just trying to minimize any error. So we're just gonna come up and do it that way. Like I said, we got our 1.5 on. We're just coming straight up. Just making sure we got a clean canvas up there. After we do that, we'll drop and put our one guard on, and we'll just start working at that top guideline. Just lightening it up, still coming straight up, fading into our 1.5. Fading into it, not going into it. We don't want to create another hard line, so we're just fading, blending from our one guard into the 1.5, being very careful. We mostly want to work on that bottom guideline. So that's what we're doing right now. We're just working at that guideline. After that, we'll throw our 16th guard on, and we'll just start hitting at that guideline right there. Just cleaning it all out, making a smooth transition from no guard open into everything we just blended. Sorry about the video, my shoulder's get in the way sometimes. We know it's kind of tough sometimes. You get anyone that's doing YouTube, you guys know sometimes it's tough. You guys are shooting something, your body just gets in the way. Sometimes you just can't help it, So we got our 16th guard on, and we're just working with our corners, just hitting that guideline, just blending everything out. So now we got our guard off, and now we're just kind of, now what we're doing is we're just blending any dark spots, detailing anything. Just getting any dark spots out of the way, making sure that guideline's just blended out. After we do our open, we're gonna close it up and we're gonna work on our bottom guideline. As you guys can see right there, we got a smooth transition. It's starting to look real nice. Everything's starting to come together. After we do that, like I said, we're just gonna drop it and we're gonna start working on that bottom guideline. There we go. Now we just dropped it. Now we're just going to work on that bottom guideline now. Keep your fade brush in your hands. Use your clippers for a little bit. Brush everything away. Just detail using the corners of your blades. Hit that guideline. Get that thing right out of there. Clean it up nice and smooth. Right now I'm working with my Low Pro FXs, my Low Pro FX clippers. Swear to God, these things are so hot. These things cut through anything. through anything. You guys got some thick hair, put a guard on these clippers, go right through it. Cuts just like butter. Now, as you guys can see, I'm just kind of going through, hitting some dark areas, using the corner of my blade, just picking around, detailing a little bit. Now I got my low pro FX trimmers, just cleaning up anything else that I have down below. Just cleaning everything up, making it look nice, fresh, clean. You know, before we move on to the back of the head. Got my custom FX shaver, hitting down below, just getting all that stuff nice. Creating that skin, you know what I mean? Creating that skin. Nah, but for real, you guys looking for any Babyliss tools, make sure you guys check them out, BABYLISSPRO.com. You guys go on there, get anything, clippers, blow dryer. Yo, I'm telling you, that blow dryer is off the hook, man. That thing's like a leaf blower, bro. If there was a long enough extension, I'd bring that thing outside and shoot leaves all over the world. Thing's sick. But like I said, right now we're just cleaning up everything around, picking around, just detailing a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, sometimes during my day, I only give everyone a half hour to 45-minute slot, so a lot of times I'm rushing. I'm just kind of getting as many people as I can in and out. So sometimes I'm like rushing through these videos. You know, they may not be perfect, but they're all right. So now I just got my thinning shears, just hitting up that crown area. Got some dark spots up there, just coming straight up, just cleaning all that stuff out as well. Now I sped up the video pretty good. Like I said, you know, I'm gonna be using the same steps through the whole thing. So I'm gonna sit back, let you guys chill, let you guys watch this. You know, if you guys want to see the finished results, you guys can speed through this. Like I said, I'm only gonna be using the Babyliss Pro tools. Got my FXs, got my FX trimmers, FX clippers, my FX shaver. Got the low pros, waiting for my lithiums to come in, be dropping some videos on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you guys haven't, if you guys turn your phone sideways, you guys can see that subscribe button at the bottom right hand corner. Make sure you guys hit that along with the bell. You know, I really greatly appreciate everyone watching my videos. You know, as barbers, a lot of times while I'm cutting hair, I don't look for the finished result right off the back. I'll kind of set up my guidelines. I'll come up with my bottom, create that first guideline, open it up, create my second guideline, and then I'll go right into my 1.5. I'll create where the top of my fade's gonna be, then I'll start working down from there. At that point, I'm not really detailing. I'm kind of just getting a feel of where my blends are gonna be, where my gradients are gonna be. So after I get all that stuff locked in, then I'll go back later on and I'll start picking around. I'll start detailing my fade, just using the corners of my blades, corners of my guards, just start cleaning all that stuff up. You know, so while I'm laying down my base, I'm really not worried about my finished result. Usually later when I style the hair, I'll go back and start detailing the haircut some more. Just kind of giving it that last minute touch, you know. Making it look good while it's all cleaned up. But like I said, you guys watch my videos. I'm maintaining the same procedure every time. I got my skin. You know what I mean? I'll open it up, create my next guideline. Then right after that, I'll go for my 1.5. Then I'll start working down from there. You know, so it's just repetition. You know, I do it one way, I feel comfortable that way. You guys start doing repetition, everything's gonna come together a lot smoother, a lot quicker. Like I said, you do something one time, but after you start getting repetition with that, you're gonna start getting faster and faster. You know, so that's basically what we're looking for, especially when you guys have schedules. You know, you get 20 people a day, 15, 20, 24, 25 people a day. You know, you kind of want to keep everyone the same consistency. So you want to have the same procedure for each haircut. You know, you guys stay consistent, and that's what your customers are looking for. They want consistency. They want the haircut to turn out the same every time. And that's what's going to make the customer happy. You know, make sure you guys are on time. Make sure their haircut's consistent every time they come in. It's looking the same. You know, keep your customers fresh. Talk to them while they're sitting in the chair. That's the stuff they want to see. So right now we're just kind of picking around, using the corners of my guards, just going around, just cleaning everything up. On this side of my client's head, he has some cowlicks. A lot of his hair just wants to push forward, so there's a lot of picking around on this side of his head. Like I said, I'm gonna let you guys peep this out. Just keep watching. You know, if you guys have any questions, comments, anything, just comment below. I get back to all the people that comment on my channel, so if you guys have any questions, just let me know. If you guys want to see something, let me know. Be happy to help you guys, hook you guys up, show you guys whatever you guys want, you know. Boy, look at that fade. That's fresh right there, boy. Like I said, thank you guys for watching. This is 730G Weezy. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Like I said, subscribe. Can't wait to show you guys some more.